Arman walks happily from work on a beautiful sunny day, talking to friends on the phone. Today his friends invited Arman to a party with whom he hadn't seen for 3 years. He was excited and was returned from shopping. It seemed that nothing foreshadowed trouble, but suddenly a cat drives past him with lightning speed, terribly dosing him with water. Water was splashing around the road as the pipe had burst. Arman was soaked to the skin, so he sat at home sick, frozen, and not able to afford not only shower or washing of clothes, but also ordinary hot tea. Finally, he couldn't meet with his friends and left at home with bills for water that he didn't use.
What is the root of the problem?
Looks like we can work it out.
Let's go back and prevent this.
We are the students of IT Lyceum propose the innovative solution of this problem.
My name is Asemai Kauas.
My name is Toktasyn Tomiris.
My name is Erbolova.
Water is a daily necessary resource for economic development, health, life, and ecosystem all over the world.
Climate change, droughts, water shortages, and population growth are increasing the strain on existing water resources, thereby increasing the necessity to preserve and avoid water wastage.
From the interview with Mark Ashebayev, Doctor of Technical Sciences, we conclude that the most vulnerable and poorest countries in Central Asia for water scarcity is Kazakhstan. By 2050, Kazakhstan's level of drinking water deficit can increase threefold if appropriate measures aren't taken, says water columnist Kunduz Adilbekova in her article written specifically for Harbor Asia. One of the main reasons for the shortage of drinking water in Kazakhstan is primarily in the untimely repair of the water intake and absence of innovative approach during the construction of underground water tube system. Due to the old methods of building pipes, the water leakage isn't detected or poorly detected.
A weak water pressure and huge inconvenience during the use of it are the typical cases we see every day. People are not aware of the true reasons why they cannot fully utilize the water. Most often, the government is last to hear about the huge water leaks, only knowing it through social media and residents who experience its dreadful consequences. Just imagine how much water has fallen away by this time and the huge bills.
It's considered to contribute an estimated amount of 70% of water loss in water transmission system. On a yearly basis, the government allocates 4 million tenge into road network, and it causes the expenditure to the citizens of Kazakhstan an amount of 250 million tenge.
So apart from that, the water in pipes consists of chlorine, boron, and arsenic, but the chlorinated drinking water may kill a number of microorganisms in the soil or a compost pile, damage parts of plants, and significantly reduce the soil fertility.
So here we can see the diagram pump, as it has a incoming pipe that is used for water supply and the second one that comes out of it. So it pipes the water out to the tank, and in our machine it can be also used to supply the water with pressure, supply the system with pressure. Here you can see the water flow meter of the electric type. It has a magnet inside that rotates, and when the plus coincides, it gets to the digital port of the arduino. And by the number of ticks and knowing the diameter, we can calculate the water flow rate. It will be used in our global purposes in manufacturers. This one is an electromagnetic valve. It can shut off the water when there is damage and we need to repair the system. So here it is used in these purposes. And here you can see the water sensor. The water sensor it feels the presence of the water, actually, which is the main part of our project, and it will activate and send signal to the users and the factories when there is a presence of water and we need to repair the system.
The pipe system is composed of inner and outer pipes. The main pipe is subject to constant wear and tear and water leakage. It's happening due to this reason. The outer pipe has the function of intercepting water to ensure the safety of water resources. When the inner pipe leaks, the water level sensor in the outer pipe recognizes the presence of water in this level, then notifies of the leakage, thereby ensuring timely repair.
So, we figured out how it is detected and notified, but where does the water go? And how is it disposed after a water leak? So when the water is leaked from the inner pipe, it goes into the special reservoir, and then the water inside the reservoir is pumped out by the diaphragm pump into the inner pipe, and then to prevent the water leakage from the inner pipe, we have a special device which is called a water valve. It is a 3D model of our system that we firstly made before the prototype. So let's dive into the most interesting part.
Let us introduce its working principle. We made a prototype of prevention system that simulates a water leak. The diagram pumps out water from the tank and delivers water through the pipe. To make everything clear, we made cuts on the outer pipe and added additional pipes to simulate water leakage. There is a water level sensor here, which was programmed on the Arduino microcontroller, and in the case of water ingress, a piezo element is connected. And notifying of leak. The piezo element simulates a leakage monitoring instead of piezo elements. A GSM module, Ethernet, and GNAS can be installed in our system to connect the controller in the server.